Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. How are we doing today? Alhamdulillah. اليوم بإذن الله راح نتناول الصف الثالث والرابع الابتدائي مادة اللغة الإنجليزية. And today inshallah we will be doing phonics practice for unit days and weather. معكم المعلمة سارة الشبيكي ومعنا معلم لغة الإشارة الأستاذ فواز العقيل. As always, it's a pleasure. So let's start by going over our classroom agreements. Please make sure to have a snack before coming to class. Please find a quiet, comfortable place. We will remember to bring our We Can 2 book and an English notebook for writing time. Are we ready? So let's review what we learned in the previous lessons, right? So far in our phonics practice, what did we learn? We learned the sounds. One sound, two letters, like the sh sound and the ch sound, like chicken. We learned the difference between the b and the p sound. Also, this was last time, we also learned the difference between the f and the v sound. We learned about the long and the short a sounds. Okay? And for today's lesson, inshallah, we are going to match sounds to letters. We will differentiate between the short O and the short U, and the long O and the short U using silent E. Okay, we will match words to photos, and we will read simple words and sentences. Ready? So let's have a look at some pictures and read the sentences before we get into the lesson. What does it say here? Please cut the rope. Please cut the rope. Show me your two fingers like this, as if it's number 2. Cut, cut, see? So cut has a short U sound. Please cut, please cut the rope. Rope. Can you hear an E? No, you can't. But the letter O is long because we added an E. Okay, so today's lesson is going to focus on when a vowel becomes long because of the letter E. Okay, and it sounds different if it's without the E. Okay? What does it say here? Can you spin the top on the cube? Can you spin the top on the cube? Which one is short? Which one is long? Yes, this one is short. This one is long. I see a cute cub with red roses. Now look at the word cub. Cub. The word before was cube. Excellent. Cube. It has an E. This one, does it have an E? No, it doesn't. How does it sound? Does it sound the same? Sounds the same? No, it sounds different. So cub has a short U and cube has a long U with an E in the end. Okay? Now we're ready to get into the lesson. So please open page 52. Please listen, point, and say. Ready? O says, top. O and E say, O, rope. So now we have two words, both with O's. One of them is short, one of them is long. The long one has, we can call it magic E. It's the silent E. Can you hear E? No, but it made the vowel O long. Next we have U says, A. Cub. U and E say U, cube. There you go. So there are two completely different words, only because we added an E from cub to cube. Okay? Now let's listen to all of them together. Now you make the sounds and say the words. O says ah, top. O and E say O, rope. U says cub. U and E say U, cube. Now let's say them all again. Top. O, rope. Cub. U, cube. Well done. Show me a thumbs up. You're with me, right? Excellent. Let's continue. Now we're going to say the missing letters, then write the word in your notebook. When we say notebook, usually it's not in your We Can Too book, but you might need the book. So open a new page in your notebook. Okay, did you? Show me your notebook. Show me your pencils. Excellent. Now we're going to read the sentence. We're going to read the words, and then write the missing letter. Then write the letter, not word. Write the letter in your notebook. So here we have top. Is it long or short, boys and girls? Short. Top. And this one is rope. So is it O or O and E? O and E. Excellent. Rope. This one is a cub. Short or long? Short U. Excellent. This one is a cube. What do we write? U and E. Okay, so did you practice writing the letter and then the same letter with an E to make it long? Okay. Now on page 52, please listen and circle the word and then match with a picture. Ready? All right, we are going to listen to one word and then you're going to match it to the right picture. Number 1, rope. Rope. Rope or nope. Which one is rope? This one is rope. You use a rope to tie things together. Okay, which one here is a rope? Yes, it's this one, the one at the bottom. Then write number 1. Next, number 2, rose. Rose. Read the words together. Roll, rose, rise. A rose is a kind of plant. It comes out of a plant. It's red. Excellent. This is the rose. Did you find it in your book? So here we'll put number 2, rose. Let's listen to this one. Number 3, tube. 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 We didn't talk about this word before, but let me ask you, when you brush your teeth, what do you squeeze on your toothpaste and then use it to brush your teeth. You use a toothbrush, right? Sorry, you use a toothpaste to put on your toothbrush. Now the toothpaste comes out of a tube, okay? So when you squeeze a toothpaste, you're squeezing it out of a tube, okay? Which picture here is a tube? We have tube, tub, and butt. Tube. Which one here is tube? This one looks like a toothpaste. Number 3. Good job. Number 3. Now let's do number 4. Number 4. Cut. 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 Cute. Tut. Which one is cut? First one. Do you see a scissor? Yes. Number 4. Good job. Let's listen to this one. Number 5. Nose. Nose. Now we didn't go over this word today, but we know this word from previous lessons, right? Do you remember when we talked about our body? Look at me. What am I pointing at? My nose. Do you see a picture of a nose? Let's look for the nose. Nose, soon, pose. This one is nose, and this is the nose. Number 5. Excellent. Next. Number 6. Cube. Cube. So number 6, here we have cub, tube, cube. Which one here is a picture of a cube? This one. Good job. It's number 6. Okay. Now, we are going to do something fun. We're going to read sentences, right? Some words are going to rhyme. You know what that means? So in the ending of the word, 2 different words sound the same. This is called a rhyme. Let's read them together. Let's read this together. What does it say? She's as snug as a bug in a rug. It's supposed to be an A here. She's as snug as a bug in a rug. Usually we say this expression when someone's really sleeping tightly. So we say, she's snug as a bug in a rug. Let's look at the words that rhyme. Can you read with me? Snug, bug, and rug. What vowel do you see? U. Is it short or long? It's short. Excellent. Hop, hop, hop. I see a frog hopping off the top of a log. Do you notice similar sounds? The word hop, top, hop, top. Do they sound the same? Frog, log. Does the ending sound the same too? Let's read it one more time. It's fun to read. Hop, hop, hop. I see a frog hopping off the top of a log. Do you see this frog? It's hopping off the top of a log. So we have frog rhymes with log, and hop rhymes with top. Excellent. Let's read this one together. Oh, I didn't ask you. Now the word frog and hop. What letter do you see that we learned today? The O. Is it short or long? It's short. Excellent. Hop, frog, top, log. The O is short. Now let's look at the next one. This funny mule, this kind of animal, This animal is a kind of mule. This funny mule has its own rule. It likes to wear glasses. This funny mule has its own rule. Do the two words kind of sound the same? They do sound the same at the end. Mule, rule. Is this U long or short? It's long. Excellent. And what do we see at the end? We see the magic E. Excellent. This funny mule has its own rule. Now let's read this one together. I hope we can get a rope to pull that box down the slope. Again, I hope we can get a rope to pull that box down the slope. This is called a slope. I hope we can get, a rope? You use it to tie things. You use it so that you can hold on to it. So they want to tie the box with a rope and pull it down the slope. So what kind of O is this? Is it long or short? It's long and it ends with silent E. Hope, rope, and slope. Excellent. Now we're going to continue page 52. We're going to search for words together. I will use a puzzle and you will use the page in your book, or maybe you can help me with these words. Let's look together. We have the word rose. Let's look for the word rose. Can you find the word rose? Yes, it's right here. Rose, R-O-S-E. Draw a circle around the word rose. Plate. Plate. You use a plate to eat your food. Plate. Found it. Plate. 5. How many fingers do you have? 5. Excellent. Next is the word cut. You use scissors to cut the rope. Cut. Then we have the word cube. Without the E, is it cube? Nope, it's cub. Like. What kind of food do you like? L-I-K-E. Top. The frog hopped from top of the log. From the top of the log. Can you find the word top in my puzzle? T-O-P. There it is. It's under the word cut. Top. T-O-P. Next is the word rice. Rice. R-I-C-E. We have 4 words left. Rope. Please use a scissor to cut the rope. Tube. Please squeeze the toothpaste from out of the tube. 2 more words. Nose. Nose. It has a long O on N-O-S-E. Pin. Pin. The I in pin is short. So, how was it? Was it fun? I bet now you can read the word and even write it correctly because you were looking for the word with the right letters, right? Okay. Now let's write them together. In your book, I'll write them over here. First word is rose, R-O-S-E. Next is plate, P-L-A-T-E. 5, excellent, 5. Cut with a short U, cut. Cube, C-U-B-E. The last word is like. Like. Next, we have more words. Top. Are you with me? Top. T-O-P. Rice. R-I-C-E. Rope. R-O-P-E. Tube. T-U-B-E. Nose. Nose. N-O-S-E. Next is pin. Pin. Okay. So far, so good. Did you have a chance to write all the words? Did you miss a few? It's okay. You can do them later. So at your own time, inshallah, you can complete page 52 if you didn't have a chance to do them with me. Okay? All right, so what did we learn today? Today's lesson was about the long and short O, as in top, for short, and rope for a long O. And can you tell me a short U? Tell me a word with a short U. Cub. Excellent. Add an E. Cube. Good job. And that's it for today, boys and girls. Had a lot of fun. Hope you did too. I'll see you again soon, inshallah. Bye.